Hey guys, I hope you're doing well. So today's video is extending the life of your bits. Now, we all have Torx and Allen heads at home, and after a while you start to find that they spin inside the bolts. You'll start to find they don't engage properly and things start to get rounded off. But you can actually extend the tool life of these by 2 or 3 times, and I'm going to show you how. So as you can see on this, it's a T15 and the teeth have started to round slightly. They've flattened off. They're no longer engaging into the bolt properly. And if that bolt is even slightly worn, it just spins and slips. So we've moved over to the sanding machine now. And if you don't have a sanding machine, it's okay. You can use a file. It's just a bit quicker and a bit easier this way. The aim is to remove 90% of that damage, leaving 10% behind, because that's then going to be chamfered, which is going to ease the installation of this bit into the bolt holes in the future. I've got this block of wood here, and that's going to elevate this on the platform so that the hex drive at the end doesn't interfere with the flatness of the bit. I'm going to place it down, I'm going to hold it 90 degrees to the surface, and I'm going to just gently touch it really lightly. If you find that you're getting this even remotely hot, there's a very good chance that you can damage the temper, and then that whole bit really is no longer salvageable. And now you can see we've got that 10% remaining, which we're then going to end up putting a chamfer on. So I'm going to hold it at around about 30 to 45 degrees. I'm going to then gently rotate it, the lightest pressure. And you don't need to go all the way and make a point here. We just want to chamfer the teeth so that they engage a little bit easier. So there we go. It really is that simple. We remove 90% of the damage. We use that last 10% as the chamfer. And if I bring in a brand new bit now, you can see we've replicated that profile and they now engage really, really nicely. So there we have it. It really is that simple. Take 90% off, leave 10% behind, chamfer it, and you'll be good to go. These are called Ajax bits and they are sold by a company called Endeavour Tools. I'm going to put the link in the description. They are an Australian company, but I see no reason why they wouldn't export to different countries, or you can just go online and have a look. Just double check the reviews though, because you can get knockoff bits like this and they really don't last. It's not worth that investment. But anyway, Ajax bits, they do screwdrivers, so Phillips heads, they do Torx and Allen heads as well. I do recommend them. They've been great, and I run them through impact drivers. They're impact rated, and I've had them for about 4 years now. And those bits that are kind of sanded 2 or 3 times really do get used and abused. So there we go. Hope it helps. Nice quick little video. Save yourself some money. And until next time, I'll catch you soon.